Okay, students, you are ready to listen about quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your full attention must be here. It will be very beneficial for your further classes also. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? I have written here the area covered by four sides. Area covered by four sides is known as quadrilateral. Okay, the type of quadrilateral are different types. I have already written here. See, I have started from rectangle. Rectangle, it is a type of quadrilateral. I am telling definition. Students, no need to write definition. Only the flow diagram you draw. If you want to draw, first of all, flow diagram, you draw. Afterwards, I will explain one by one. Are you drawing? Flow chart? Draw. First of all, draw it. And I am repeating the name. The quadrilateral types, I have written 6 types. The first quadrilateral name is rectangle. You already know. And the second one is square. And the third one, that is the parallelogram. Spelling you know already. So I am dictating the name. Parallelogram, third one. And the fourth one quadrilateral written rhombus. RHOMBUS. Rhombus.
सर ये कौन सा एक्सरसाइज का है?
ये एक्सरसाइज मेरा अभी 4.4 पढ़ा दिए हैं, उसके बाद है 4.5 में आएगा. ओके, और द एक्सरसाइज 4.5. And the fifth one quadrilateral is trapezium. 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 The last one, that is the kite.
नहीं है.
Last one figure is kite. Kite is spelled. Kite here written. Kite. Kite. KIT. Right, fastly write down.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी शाम को हमारे को पढ़े के बाद हम अपन क्या
आपके पास क्या लिखे वहाँ पर?
Where? Which one?
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth.
R.
Rhombus. 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 Rhombus.
मतलब 50% को मैसेज तब ना चले बुझा.
Then after trapezium, don't talk your family members.
50% के रहल बा.
Students, you are talking to your family members. It is not very bad. Your sound is going to everybody. Trapezium spelling is TRAPE.
जब तक तू अपन क्लास में पढ़बो
ZIUM.
रोम्बस के बाद आप क्या लिखे हैं? TRA.
सीटी का के चक्कर में आउ ना पढ़बो का अपन ने गोरी क्लास.
TRAPEZIUM. ट्रापेजियम की स्पेलिंग है TRAPE.
सर अब तब आज अच्छे से नहीं आ पा रहा है.
TRAPEZIUM. ट्रापेजियम.
सर
अपना माइक सही करो, आवाज सही जा रही है. आप जो आवाज कह रहे हैं कंप्लेन, आप अपनी माइक सही कर लीजिए. मेरी आवाज तो सही जा रही है. ट्रापेजियम स्पेलिंग इज TRAPEZIUM. ओके, And kite spelling you already know, K-I-T. Students, I am going to explain one by one. One by one explanation. Now, listen about this quadrilateral. What is the definition? What is the special quality of this quadrilateral? Why we call the quadrilateral by the such name? See, are you listening to me? आप सुन रहे हैं ना? Rectangle of listen. The definition of rectangle is no need to write, students. You will write in further classes. Only try to understand. Rectangle. The definition is of rectangle is. Definition मत लिखें. आप definition समझ लीजिए. ये further classes, आगे classes में मिलेगा. आपको इसके बारे में मैं परिचय करा रहा हूँ. अब इनके बारे में जान लीजिए. इन नेम जरूर लिखिए, फिगर लिखिए, उसके बाद उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन, डिफिनीशन मत लिखिए, डिफिनीशन केवल समझ लीजिए. आपको फिगर से मैं समझा दे रहा हूँ, समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके. सी, रेक्टेंगल. Definition of rectangle is the quadrilateral which all angles are right angle. Listen, the quadrilateral which all angles are right angle and opposite sides are parallel. Definition of quadrilateral is, once again, the quadrilateral which all angles are right angle and opposite sides are parallel is called rectangle. Okay, and square. Second one is square. Square definition is the quadrilateral which all sides are equal, all angles are right angle. Once again, your full attention must be towards me. आप ध्यान से सुनिए, जरूर आपको समझ में आ जाए.
क्वाड्रिलेटरल का डेफिनेशन लिख ले रहे हैं.
देखिए, डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे तो कोर्स में नहीं है, आप लिखेंगे टाइम लग जाएगा. मैं समझा रहा हूं, पहले समझिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल. आप पहले समझना आपको जरूरी है. द सेकंड, स्क्वायर. डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू लिसन, नो नीड टू राइट. Listen, the quadrilateral which all sides are equal. The quadrilateral which all sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called square. And the third one, parallelogram. The quadrilateral which opposite sides are parallel and equal. The quadrilateral which opposite sides are parallel and equal is called parallelogram. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Third one definition, the quadrilateral which opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram. Okay, and the fourth one, that is the rhombus. Definition is the quadrilateral which all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. The quadrilateral which all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel is called rhombus. Trapezium. Definition of trapezium is the quadrilateral which one opposite pair, only one opposite pair, maybe this pair also. किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल का अपोजिट पेयर पैरेलल होता है तो वो ट्रेपीजियम कहलाता है बेटा. दोनों पेयर पैरेलल होगा तो उसको पैरेललोग्राम कहेंगे. यदि केवल एक अपोजिट पेयर पैरेलल होगा तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? ट्रेपीजियम. तो डेफिनेशन विल बी द क्वाड्रिलेटरल व्हिच वन अपोजिट पेयर इज पैरेलल इज कॉल्ड ट्रेपीजियम. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन इज काइट. The definition is the quadrilateral which adjacent sides are equal. See, this one and this one, adjacent sides. This one and this one, also adjacent side. This adjacent side is equal and this adjacent sides are also equal. The quadrilateral with adjacent sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular is called kite. Okay. This is the these are the quadrilateral and that was definitions. जो मैंने
सर
आपको बताया वो डिफिनेशंस हैं, आप समझ लेंगे तो इसके डिफिनेशंस आगे क्लासेज में है बेटा, इसलिए मैं आपको लिखवा नहीं रहा हूँ, समझा दे रहा हूँ, उनका नाम से परिचित करा दिया।
सर
हाँ बोले,
सर
स्पीक क्या कहना चाहते हो बोलो। ओके लेट अस स्टार्ट फर्दर। आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हो?
नो सर
क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज क्लियर क्वाड्रिलेटरल।
रेक्टेंगल मतलब क्या होता है?
रेक्टेंगल ये ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसके अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल और इक्वल होते हैं और सभी एंगल राइट एंगल होता है। फिर से सुनिए, quadrilateral which opposite sides are parallel and equal and all angles are right angle is called rectangle. Any more? Anybody any doubt? Clear? Okay. Let us start exercise. Exercise 4.4. Students, are you ready? Are you ready to start exercise 4.4? Now we will start exercise 4.4. This exercise is related to quadrilateral. Listen question. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior. 4.5. Exercise 4.5 will start about the quadrilateral exercise. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonal. Name them. The meeting point of the diagonal in interior or exterior.
Sir.
Okay. Question number 1.
Sir.
You have to draw a quadrilateral. You will draw any quadrilateral. Okay. I have drawn a quadrilateral, and you have to. The quadrilateral name is PQRS given. That's why I am also giving the name PQRS. P, Q, R, and S. Then after, you have to join the diagonals. Diagonal, students, do you know about the diagonal? Diagonal is opposite, the meeting point, the 2 points, opposite vertex of a quadrilateral. When we join any opposite vertex of a quadrilateral, that is the diagonal. See, P and R are opposite vertex. When we join these vertex, PQ will be diagonal, and another diagonal is QS. QS is also diagonal. You will draw with me, and if both diagonals intersect each other at a point O. Diagonals intersect each other at point O. You have to reply that point O is exterior or interior of the quadrilateral.
Interior.
Interior. Very good.
Interior.
Interior.
You will
Interior.
write the intersection point of diagonal lies in interior of the quadrilateral. Meeting point of the diagonal interior. Answer will be meeting point. मीटिंग पॉइंट को आप इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट भी बोलते हैं. मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ डायगोनल मीट
आपका वीडियो पॉज हो गया है.
इज इंटीरियर.
सर आपका वीडियो पॉज हो गया है.
फोटो से बहुत आवाज आ
अभी
रही है.
आ जाएगी, अभी आ जाएगी, घबराए नहीं. हाँ, ये मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ए डायगोनल इज इंटीरियर, ओके, ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ये नेट कभी कभी चला जा रहा है फ्रेंड्स. Okay. Have you written? Answer question number 1. Meeting point. Meeting point of diagonal is interior of the quadrilateral. Okay. This is the answer and diagram. One more question is there. Question number 2. Let us start question number 2 or not? Students, have you written this?
Yes, sir.
And are you ready to start question number 2?
अजीब सी आवाज आ रही है.
Let us start. Okay. Question number 2, I am reading. Listen. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. You have to draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. Okay, and answer the following. First of all, we draw. K, L, M, and N. See? K, L, M, N. This is the quadrilateral. And you have to state the following answer. Two pairs of opposite side. Two pairs of opposite side. Students, can you tell me two pairs of opposite side? Anybody? Anybody? Two pairs of opposite side. The side KL ka opposite. What is the opposite side of KL? Opposite side of KL is NM.
NM.
Okay, right. And opposite side of KN is KN. Reply me. Opposite side of KN is MN. KL and NM. Opposite sides KN and ML are also opposite side. Answer first is
सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए.
KN and Kn and LM. LM, Kn, LM,
ओए बंद कर दी
and
हॉटस्पॉट
LM and
ढेर मत बोल ऑन कर ले बनी
KL, NM, KL, NM are
कुकुरी
opposite sides. Opposite side. This one answer for A. Question number 2A answer will be Kn, LM and
जब
KL,
तू कर लिया ओकर बाद ऑन
NM
कर ले
are opposite sides. Okay? This and this are opposite sides. You can see it. And for the B part, two pairs of opposite angles. Very easy, students. See, this K is opposite angle of M and this N is opposite angle of L. You have to write opposite, two pairs of opposite angle only. Your answer will be angle K, comma, angle M and angle N, comma, angle L. Angle N, comma, angle L are two pairs of opposite angles.
सर एंड के बाद क्या लिखे हैं
फर्स्ट ये आप सुनते रहिए, तब आप सुनेंगे ना तब लिखा हुआ क्लियर हो जाएगा. लिसन, आई एम रीडिंग अगेन. KN, LM, KN, LM and KL, NM are opposite sides. Are opposite sides written.
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा.
Listen, video is going. कैसे कर रहे हो? वीडियो तो जा रहा है. सुनिए, KN, LM and KL, NM are opposite sides. That is written. And for the B part, here is written angle. If students, this is the sign of angle. Angle K. This one, angle K, comma angle M. Both are opposite angles. Angle K, angle M, and angle N, angle L are opposite pairs of, are two pairs of opposite angles. Written. आपको दिख रहा है? देखो, ये दोनों अपोजिट पेयर एंगल है. इनको मैंने लिखा है, ये साइड अपोजिट वाले लिखा है. ये क्लियर फिगर में दिख रहा है.
याद ना हो एक बार मैम सबको क्वेश्चन नंबर ये बताइए, ये हमारे किताब का
क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. Question number C. Figure is already drawn. I have again drawn this figure here to reply part C and D. Part C reply is two pairs of adjacent sides. Listen, two pairs of adjacent side. सबसे पहले आप adjacent side को समझिए. Don't write, only listen first of all. Afterwards you will write. Which one adjacent side? See, any vertex, the two sides joined to any vertex is called adjacent side. For example, KL, KN are adjacent side, and LK, LM are adjacent side. ML, MN are adjacent side. NM, NL are adjacent side. from any vertex, two sides are connected. That's why those two sides are called adjacent sides. Okay? फिर से सुनिए, किसी भी कॉर्नर
बता
से,
दीजिए।
किसी कॉर्नर से दो साइड बन रहा है ना, अब इस कॉर्नर को बनाने के लिए दो साइड दिख रहा है, ये दोनों साइड एडजेसेंट कहलाते हैं.
हेलो
And two pairs of adjacent side. The answer will be, you start from K, KL, comma KN, and LK, comma LM are two pairs of adjacent sides.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Students,
sir.
this KL, KN and
Yes, sir.
LK, LM are two pair of adjacent side. Two more pair are also having, but only two pair you have to reply. Listen, for D part, two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angle. Listen, one. First of all, you try to understand what is adjacent side and what is an adjacent angle. Adjacent side you have known already. I have explained. And for the adjacent angle, listen. Adjacent angle, any side, see any side, and both angle of that side is called adjacent angle. किसी भी साइड के दोनों इन पॉइंट पे जो एंगल बनता है उसको हम एडजेसेंट एंगल कहते हैं. आप समझे? किसी एक साइड को आप ले लीजिए, जैसे KL साइड है तो एंगल K एंड एंगल L आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. लाइकवाइज एंगल L एंड एंगल M आर adjacent angle. Likewise, angle M and angle N are adjacent angle. किसी भी साइड के दो इंड पॉइंट है ना, ये दोनों इंड पॉइंट पर जो एंगल बन रहे हैं उसको आप adjacent angle कहेंगे. समझ रहे हो स्टूडेंट्स? Have you understood adjacent angles?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
No, sir. Please tell once more.
already I have explained it 2 times, 3 times. Why not you try to understand? Your full attention must be towards me. आप मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए, निश्चित समझ में आ जाएगा. फिर से सुनिए, एडजेसेंट एंगल किसे कहते हैं? किसी भी साइड के दो एंड पॉइंट होते हैं और दोनों एंड पॉइंट पे जो एंगल बन रहे हैं उसको आप एडजेसेंट एंगल कहेंगे. तो डिफिनेशन विल बी, द एडजेसेंट एंगल किसे कहेंगे? The angles subtended at any two end point of a quadrilateral is called adjacent angle. That is the angle K and angle L are adjacent angle. Angle L and angle M are adjacent angle because LM side, these are lies at LM side. You have to reply only two pair of adjacent angle. Though here 4 pairs, but you have to write only 2 pair. Angle K and angle L. Angle K comma angle L. Angle L and angle L. Angle L comma angle M. M are 2 pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles.
Hello.
Students, have you understood or not? Adjacent side, adjacent angles. Okay, write down. And there is 10-minute time. Time is 5 minutes nearly. So you complete it. Students, written. Now time will be over. If you want to ask me about your any doubt, you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Adjacent side and adjacent angle are quadrilateral?
No,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Very good.
जाके निकलवाया के पड़ी ना
Now today study is up to this much only, and tomorrow we will read about the circle. Students, follow my advice. Before reading this chapter or further chapter, I mean circle, you should read your book yourself at home. आपको कल मुझे पढ़ाना है सर्किल, तो आप अपने बुक का वो सर्किल पार्ट में क्या लिखा है उसको जरूर पढ़ के आइए, और जब पढ़ के आएंगे तो कुछ आप मुझसे पूछेंगे, मैं और आपको उसको क्लियर कर दूंगा. पढ़ के आना. पढ़ने का जो तरीका है, योर स्टडी, व्हाट इज द स्टाइल ऑफ योर स्टडी मस्ट बी प्री स्टडी. प्री स्टडी इज इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट यू टीच टुमारो, दैट शुड be taught by you today. कल जो आपको पढ़ाना है उसको आप जरूर पढ़ लीजिए आज. जैसे सर्किल है, सर्किल में बुक में जो कुछ लिखा है तो इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप पढ़ के आएंगे तो पढ़ाएंगे तो ज्यादा कुछ समझ पाएंगे, और आप भी पूछ पाएंगे मुझसे ये क्या लिखा है. ओके
ओके सर.
For tomorrow, you have to bring compass, scale, pencil, eraser. I mean complete mathematical box with sharpener also. And you will draw with me. आप मेरे साथ खींचेंगे, मैं भी बोर्ड कंपास लेकर आऊंगा. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will be prepared with your mathematical box.
यस सर
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Geometry.
If you want to anything to ask me, everybody have to see your face to me. आप अपना चेहरा जरूर मुझे दिखाएं. Don't hide yourself.
Yes, sir.
Sir, interior.
I am seeing everybody. Shivam Gupta gone. Why? Aditya Singh, Nitin Yadav are not looking. Okay. Be in front of your camera. Anish Verma is not looking. Sanjeet Singh also hide himself. Isha Singh, where are you? They have Shreya, why have you hide yourself now? Okay. Satan.
क्या तेरी
Okay. I am seeing you to recognize yourself so that we will be familiar. How to be familiar? If I see your face and you all of you saying to me, online we should be familiar. When classes will be run offline, then we will be familiar automatically. But this time it is necessary to see you yourself. How many students are who are? Okay, time is over, students. Thank you. Bye.
बाय सर
बाय सर
दिया माधव करे करके अपन क्लास कर दिया करें
इसी तरह
अरे हट नहीं कहाँ से आ जाते हैं अम्बुज और स्कूल ड्रेस पहन के पढ़ो तो लिखेगा और देखो बहुत है